If you no longer use an account code or fund code, then you can mark them as closed so they don't appear as an option when you're booking transactions. You can't delete them completely if you've ever had any transactions, because this is for audit purposes. So let's have a look at an account code. So if I go to normal inquiry, we have a look at this code. So you can see I've got transactions against them, so I can't delete the account completely, but I no longer use it, so I want to close it. So if we come out there, we go to nominal maintenance. Of course, this will be account maintenance if you're on receipts and payments. So if we select our account, update, and mark it as closed, and record. Now, if I was tried to enter a transaction, so if I go to expenditure booking, for example, in the account code, right click, you'll see that that code no longer appears as in the list box. You can still run reports and everything for those accounts because you might need a historical report. You could also change the account code to put a Z in front of it, so it means it will go to the bottom of any lists when you're in a report criteria. The same applies to fund codes. So if I want to close a fund, I need to make sure that it hasn't got a balance. You can't close a fund if it's got an outstanding balance. So if we go to admin and system settings and fund maintenance, so we find the fund that we want to close, update, and change the close flag to yes. So this fund has got a value on the balance sheet. So it might be that the fund has got a 0 overall balance, but you have a balance on one code as a positive and a balance on another code as a negative. You need to have 0 balances on all accounts for this fund. So if you need to find out where those balances are, if you go to run a balance sheet, so if you choose just the fund code that you're trying to close, and if you include the account codes, so here's the balance sheet, so you can see which accounts have got the balance for that particular fund. And you can make the appropriate transactions to clear the balance, and then you'll be able to mark the fund as closed.